What's up, guys? Today, just wanted to talk to you real quick about these HME hunting seats. I use this a ton for turkey hunting personally. If you're just going in the woods and you're sitting on a tree, it's nice to have a little bit of padding in between you, the ground, and the tree. And this gives you exactly that. As you can see, a fair amount of padding in here. It looks like about 1.5 inches or so. And really nice that you can just collapse it, fold it up, and you have a little handle here that you can hold it by. And what I have found too is that these straps are incredibly strong. I'm 200 pounds and have no wear tear on these. I put a ton of days out in the field with this thing, and it just keeps holding up strong. So if you're looking for a great seat for hunting, guys, check this out. I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.